Hi everyone, I'm Adrian Ibasco from BSIT3B, and today I'm going to present how K-means clustering work using Python and the datasets. In this short walkthrough, I'll explain the code step by step and show you how the output reveals useful insight from the data. Step 1. Import the libraries. First, we import all the necessary libraries, NumPy and Pandas. Handle data, matplotlib is for visualization, and from sklearn, we import the tools for clustering and processing. Step 2. Load the datasets. We then load the famous iris datasets. This dataset has 150 sample of iris flower with 4 features each. The target or label is only used for comparison, not for training. Step 3. Standardize the data. Before applying k-means, we standardize the data to ensure that all features have the same scale, which improve clustering results. Step 4. Apply k-means clustering. We create a k-means object with 3 clusters because we know there are 3 iris species, then we fit the model to our scaled data. Step 5. Get cluster label and centers. Now, we retrieve the labels assigned to each sample and also the coordinates of each cluster center. Step 6. Visualize using PCA. We use PCA to reduce the 4-dimensional data into 2 dimensions so we can visualize it. The plot shows how the data points are grouped and into clusters, and the red X are the centroids calculated by k-means. As you can see in the graph, the k-means algorithm did a good job grouping in the iris flower into 3 distinct clusters. The cluster closely resemble the actual species even though we didn't use any label during training. And that's my short demo on k-means clustering using Python. I hope this helped you understand how the unsupervised learning can be used to find patterns in the data. Thank you for watching.